Hello guys, welcome to this video. I haven't been doing any upload, I'm sorry about that, but really the fact why I ain't been uploading is ideas. I have had some ideas, but look at the weather.
It's horrible. Nice view though. Anyone agree that? Like that is a nice view, but look at that. Them clouds aren't a nice view. That's just British summer. Literally, that's our summer.
We don't get no sun. Last year was probably the warmest, one of the warmest, and even that wasn't that much, to be fair. And as well, I need a haircut, but like, look, out my eyes, literally in my eyes. But yeah, this channel is gonna be a bit memey.
And his name is John C. Wow.
In a way, you know, like me mocking myself and all that. That doesn't mean you're allowed to do it though. But yeah. So anyway, it's a little short one, literally only 40 seconds long so far. So I'd update you, say that I'm that light. I'm blinded by the lights. No, but I forgot what I was saying now. Yeah, I forgot. So what I was actually on about was that I'll be doing different videos, and that videos will be coming finally, and that I'm sorry I've took a break, but you need to take some breaks sometimes. Yeah, that's really the end of this video. Sorry it hasn't been a short one, mainly this one's been about, you know, the weather. But it's horrendous. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Sorry, of course, I'm sorry again that there hasn't been a video for over a month. But yeah, we are back. We're gonna do it, and yes, thanks for watching. Peace.